Here's what we learned today. 1A proposal must be communicated to be valid. Section 4. 2A tender is an invitation to offer, not an offer. 3 offers and invitations to offer are distinct, as seen in Harvey vs. Facey, 1893. 4 acceptance must be unconditional to form an agreement. Section 7. Rohan and Meera are sitting under a tree on their college campus, discussing their CA foundation preparation.
Exams are coming up. Did you get the scanner book?
No, I couldn't find it anywhere. I'm worried.
An interesting situation is unfolding. Let's see how Section 4 of the Indian Contract Act applies here.
I could sell my extra scanner book to Meera for 500 rupees.
Hold. Rohan hasn't communicated his offer yet. Remember, as per Section 4, a proposal must be communicated to the offeree for it to be valid.
Isn't that an offer?
No, Meera. That's just a tender, which is an invitation to offer.
Hey Meera, I'll sell you my extra scanner book for 500 rupees.
How is this different from the price tag at the bookstore?
The price tag is an invitation to offer, not an actual offer. My proposal is an offer because it's ready for acceptance.
Let's break it down. Offer, Section 2A. A proposal that leads directly to a contract upon acceptance. Invitation to offer. A preliminary communication inviting others to make offers.
Okay, Rohan, I accept your offer for 500 rupees.
Congratulations. This is an example of a valid agreement under Section 7. The acceptance was absolute and unconditional. 1A proposal must be communicated to be valid. Section 4. 2A tender is an invitation to offer, not an offer. 3 offers and invitations to offer are distinct, as seen in Harvey vs. Facey, 1893. 4 acceptance must be unconditional to form an agreement. Section 7.